Today's topic is geometric method of measuring elasticity of demand. As we know, elasticity measures responsiveness or sensitiveness of demand to the change in price. I will write elasticity measures sensitiveness or responsiveness of demand to the change in price. Economists have used three methods for the measurement of price elasticity, for measurement of elasticity of demand. Three methods. One, proportional method. Geometric method. And third is total expenditure method. Since we have studied proportional method, wherein we have seen that proportional method measures elasticity of demand when we write that formula, proportionate change in quantity demanded divided by proportionate change in price. Today we will discuss, or today we will see how we measure elasticity of demand through geometric method, or which is also known as point method. What we have to do, I will write geometric method measures price elasticity of demand at different points. At different points on the demand curve. This geometric method, it is also known as point method. We have to draw a demand curve if our demand curve is Mn, and P is a point on the demand curve. This P divides the demand curve Mn into equal parts. That is Pn and Pm. We say that it is the midpoint. This portion is lower segment and this portion is the upper segment. When we measure elasticity of demand through this method, what we have to do, we divide the lower segment, this is the lower segment from point P, by the upper segment, that is Pm. I will repeat. When we measure elasticity of demand on a demand curve, what we have to do, we first of all draw a demand curve. Let it be Mn. Let a point P be in the middle of the demand curve Mn. We know that P divides the curve Mn into equal parts 1, Pn and Pm. This lower part is known as lower segment of the demand curve and this Pm is known as the upper part of the upper segment of the demand curve. Accordingly, we will write elasticity of demand at point P is equal to Pn divided by Pm. This is lower segment divided by the upper segment. On y-axis we measure the price and on x-axis we measure quantity demanded. I will repeat. Geometric method measures price elasticity of demand at different points on the demand curve. It is also known as point method. When we go through this method, what we have to do, we have to draw a demand curve which touches the y-axis on M and x-axis at N. We divide the demand curve in two equal parts, that is NP or Pn and Pm. Since this point divides the demand curve in two equal parts, this lower part is known as lower segment of the demand curve and this upper part is known as the upper segment of the demand curve. When we go to this point, we write elasticity of demand at point P is then equal to lower segment, that is Pn, divided by the upper segment, that is Pm. So we see that if lower segment is 2, upper segment is 2, it is equal to 1 when 2 is divided by 2. This is exactly the half of the Mn curve is Pn and half of the Mn curve is Pm. So we see that at P or at midpoint our elasticity of demand is equal to 1. Now we will go to the middle of the Pn part and middle of the Pm part. We divide this portion in two equal parts and we divide this portion into equal parts. So let me draw another demand curve where we divide the lower segment and upper segment in two equal parts. Quantity demanded, price. We draw a demand curve Mn, and we assume that P is in the middle of the demand curve Mn, since this is straight line demand curve. Lower segment and upper segment. We divide lower segment in two equal parts. Let it be here. We say that it is point B. And we divide upper segment of the demand curve PM in two equal parts. Let it be A. And we have two extreme points. One is at N, another is at point M. When elasticity of demand is equal to 1, it is Pn divided by Pm. Elasticity of demand at point P. Elasticity of demand at point P is equal to lower segment of the demand curve divided by the upper segment of the demand curve. Lower segment of the demand curve is where we are considering point P. Lower segment of the demand curve is Pn, upper segment of the demand curve is Pm. Therefore, Pn and Pm are exactly equal. Therefore, we say that it is equal to 1. We will write at point P our elasticity of demand is equal to unity. Elasticity of demand is equal to unity. Elasticity of demand at point P is equal to unity. पहला. अब दूसरा, let we go to point B. Let we go to point B. Formula for elasticity of demand is this: lower segment must be divided by the upper segment. At point B, elasticity of demand is then equal to Bn divided by Bm. Bn divided by Bn divided by Bm. Since this part, this Bn is the fourth part of the demand curve. We have divided Mn in 4 equal parts. This if Bn is equal to 1, Bm is equal to, this 1 is divided by 4. When we divide 1 by 4, it is equal to 0.25 mathematically. When we go to 0.25, it is always less than 1. So we say that at point B, elasticity of demand is equal to Bn divided by Bm. We will write at B, elasticity of demand is less than 1, is less than unity. Elasticity of demand is equal to Bn divided by Bm, where we see that it is less than unity. It is less than unity. Now we will go to point A. At point A, elasticity of demand is then equal to lower segment of the demand curve. This is AN. Lower segment of the demand curve AN divided by the upper segment of the demand curve. This is AM. When this portion is divided by this portion, we see that it is greater than 1. Now we will see at point N. What is the value? What is the elasticity of demand at point N? I will write here elasticity of demand is greater than 1. At this point N, elasticity of demand is equal to 0. This is 0 divided by anything. At this point, this is 0. It touches the x-axis curve at N. The demand curve Mn touches the x-axis at N. At point N, the lower segment being equal to 0, when we divide 0 by Mn, we get 0. I will write at point N. Where the demand curve touches the x-axis, I will write at point N, where the demand curve, since it is straight line demand curve, where the demand curve Mn touches the x-axis at N, the lower segment is equal to 0 and upper segment is Mn. When we divide 0 by Mn, it is equal, 0 divided by anything is equal to 0. So we get 0. Therefore we say that at point N, elasticity of demand is equal to 0. At this point, elasticity of demand is equal to 0. Now we will go to point M. This is lower segment divided by the upper segment. Lower segment of the demand curve starts from here up to here. Upper part is, it touches the y-axis at M. Beyond M we don't go, so upper segment of the demand curve from here is 0. So 0 is divided by Mn. When 0 is divided by Mn, it leads towards infinity. So what is the value of elasticity of demand at point M? It is equal to infinity. elasticity of demand is equal to infinity. This is how we measure elasticity of demand on a straight line demand curve. This method is also known as point method. So we get three points. One, elasticity of demand being equal to 1, elasticity of demand being equal to less than 1 or less than unity, and elasticity of demand being equal to greater than unity. These are the third cases, and here we see that it is equal to 0, and here its value is infinite. So this is how we measure elasticity of demand through geometric method. We have another method, that is total expenditure method, and total expenditure method inshallah will be discussed in our next class. Thanks for today.